What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. I actually came out, man, to do one video, but I need to talk to y'all about something. So I don't know if anybody else has done this yet that watches my channel, but on the Rogue Glide or on the new boom systems, they have come out to where you can download Android, or upgrade your radio to where you can use Android Auto, right? I have an Android. I got the download from the Harley Davidson website, downloaded the update for the radio, installed it, did that whole thing. The first time I used it was when we went to the Hill Country, and which was just a couple weeks ago, no, last week. And I used it then, right? And I was having issues of it just shutting off. So I was using the maps, Google Maps, and it would just turn off on me. And so I finally got pissed off enough to where I ended up just turning it off and just using the Bluetooth to the radio and used Google Maps that way, right? But of course the maps doesn't show up on the radio. It's just the directions on here, and then it, you know, I can hear it through the radio, and then I'm playing my music, right? So anyway, that was happening then. Today I get on the bike, or yesterday I actually got on the bike to go to my dad's to help him install some security cameras he had gotten. Went over there, did that. Okay, radio, it worked fine. I played music the whole way there, watched the map, everything. Now, let me pull over real quick, and that way I can show y'all what the fuck I'm dealing with right now. So today I get on the bike. It is Father's Day, so happy belated Father's Day to all the pappies out there. But as you can see, my radio's not on. As soon as I turn the power, the kill switch off on the bike, the radio will turn on. Watch, it comes on. Okay, you got my shit playing, right? So the issue is, I was just riding a minute ago, and all of a sudden the radio just turns completely off. You can't turn it back on by power or anything. So let's crank her up and see if it does the same thing. Let's see. Okay. My music's playing. Everything's good. Let's take off and see what happens. If you see my screen go black, then you know it turned off on me again. So my thing is, man, like, I don't know if anybody else is having issues with this whole Android Auto thing for your radio, for the boom system or whatever, but it pisses me off. There it goes, gone. Now the fucking radio won't come back on. You can't turn it on, do anything, right? My phone's still on. See that there? Phone's still on. It's still showing that it's got Android, it's hooked to Android Auto, but the fucking radio goes off. So what we need to do is, I need to test it to see if the radio goes off without this wire, the cord, because you plug the phone up, and then you got your USB port in there, and that's what it hooks up to, and that's what's connected to the radio, right? So let me pull over again. We'll unhook that. I'll hook it just via Bluetooth to see if my music still plays, and to see if the radio actually stays on. Because if the radio doesn't stay on, then there's something wrong with the fucking bike. So let me pull over up here, and then and we'll do that. Hang on a second. See, I can still hear the music because it's playing on my phone. Alright, hang on. Okay, so now let's use this so I can still have my charger plugged up. Okay, charger's plugged up, 100%. radio's still not on, can't turn it on, it comes on. So let's hook up to the phone. Okay. Let's see. Radio's on. So music's playing. Alright. So let's crank her back up and take off. And see what it does. So that's my question to y'all, man. Have y'all had any issues? Have y'all downloaded the Android Auto or updated your radio to play Android Auto? And if you have, are you having any issues with it, right? So you got to make sure that the cord you use is a media, or it can transfer data, right? It's got to be a data cord. It can't just be a charging cord. So this is the original cord that comes with my phone. So I have that. When you download this update, you have to make sure that the memory stick that you downloaded on, the jump drive, is bigger than an 8 gig or 8 gigs and bigger. I downloaded it on a 32 gig, right? So I wish I had recorded the whole doing the whole thing, man, but I didn't, and now I regret it, because that way y'all could see exactly how it was done. But John Maxwell's got a great video on it, and so if you need to know how to do it, go check that out. Oh, fucking turned off. Look at that. You motherfucker. So there's something wrong with my fucking radio. Son of a bitch. So there we go. Alright, well, never mind. I guess it's not, unless, because I never had that issue before. So unless when I did the update, it started messing my shit up. So now that means I gotta take the bike to the dealership and have them look at it and see what's going on. So yeah, that sucks. But anyway. Alright, kinfolk, well, this is just a little short video, man, to see if y'all are having any issues, or if you had any issues with the radio after you've downloaded or updated your radio to that Android Auto, right? So leave it down in the comments if you have. Let me know if you're having any issues with the radio afterwards, and that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.